What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 3 of Scribblenauts. So right now we are in the capital one of Silver King. So there are like 6 missions here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's 6. So let's see and continue the missions. The other fish keep making fun of me. Help me scare them away. Wanda is using scary face. Well, that was like pretty easy. So, okay, here we go. How many foreign news will be moving? Fish school. Fisher school. There you go, badge. Taiwan school. What the fuck do you want? What the hell? What the hell is that? What the hell? Oh, it's a fish. Oh. Wait. So that means are you kidding me? No. Okay, so you want to poop in a school? Well, what school would be there? Oh, you licked my ass! Oh. Okay, fine. So, well, new school moving. What else do you see from school? Clownfish. Here we go. What the fuck? Oh! Okay, so I get it. So, well, here's the trash can. Oh, toxic waste. There must be a better way to dispose of this waste. Well, time toss it. Well, that's okay. Okay, there we go. So right now we use the vacuum. I turn on. Hey, fuck you! I called you to turn on that batch. Did I open it? Oh no. Okay, so I can use it. Well, oops. How about this? I give item deleted. Oh, there's no such thing. Well, underwater vacuum. Well, water assistant vacuum. Are you kidding me, Fakash? Are you kidding me, Fakash? Well, I fuck you. This is so great. Go ahead. What about this? Can you use it now? Yeah, I can use it. Can I clean it? No. Why the fuck I can clean you up? Fuck you. Well, I have an idea. Fine. I can't do what? You can't. Maybe it's the wrong spell. Fine. Can I just use a jacket? Okay. Wait, don't attack people. Okay, Katulu. Hide about friendly Katulu. Stop. Cthulhu. Cthulhu, don't kill people. I'll give you this vacuum cleaner. Alrighty. You couldn't kill it. Fine. There are ways. Get out. How about this? I create something that can attack all the time. Go. Attack. Oh, that's bad reason. Just shoot the fuck out of it. That took so long to figure out this work. Wait. So... Where the fuck? Okay, go! You want to fight with me? Are you an idiot? Okay, so right now... Did I complete? Wait. I think we save this guy first, right? Yeah, you bitch. Okay, I mean you bro. Be a bro and help me break free. It's so easy. Just shoot this fucker. Oh. Okay. How about this? Giant sword of awesomeness. No, not this guy. Of awesome. Fine. Of rainbow handsome hipster. I'm flying. Okay, that's enough. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck had I crit? What the fuck had I crit? Fine. So that's what I can do. Shout. And go, bitch. So easy, you know. Except the lobster from fisherman by feeling that trap. Something has to eat. Well, let's give us some creativity. Use our imagination. What do you think? Okay, I got one. Lobster dildo. Loser dildo. Oh, fine. Well, no. Fine. One more. Red dildo. Fine. Lay rocks too. Okay. Empty you up and fill you up. Fine. Maybe they like to eat something else. This wall works, huh? What the fuck? What just happened? Who ate that dildo? Who ate that dildo? Who ate that dildo? Who ate that fucking dildo? Oh yeah! Dildo works! I can't believe it's not a dildo. Right, so there's one more Slugot. That's new. Housing. Okay, so it's done. Let's continue to this Slugot. Sure. Okay, fine. So I've always lived down here and don't know what I look like. Well, you have so many eyes. Where can you live? No, I look. Fine, here. Do you like it now? Your fucking looks. Is what? So you are so scared. Why are you scared of that? Fabulous hipster. Wow, rainbow emo. Fine. Handsome, friendly. Sex up. Fine. Wow, that's enough. You're good right now. Right, fucking. No, you're so slow. You're so fucking slow. Flying fast, speedy, quick, lightning. Fine, nothing. Oh my god, your laughter is so scary. Oh my god, you suck. Well, let's play word roll now. Cthulhu. Oh my god, no. There we go. Much near the Cthulhu kill. Right. Now let's attack! Oh, fine, die. Okay, so that's so scary. Well, you are small. Small didn't works. No, that's better. You're more tiny. But it doesn't look so real. Okay, fine. So we're done that level. So let's go to Lily. You bitch. You bitch. Did I go with that thing? Oh no. And just in his kite. Alright, no. So you got it right now. Oh, kite guy. Okay. Speaking kites, I don't speak kite. Oh fuck! Oh no, damn it. So now we play this first, right? Underline. Welcome to the underline. Underpants. What the fuck do you want, huh? What the fuck? Okay, so that's a fat boy. And that fat boy wants to have a fat. I'm so hungry and his mission is empty. Well, free food, what do you want? There's an apple. So fuck up. You dog. Okay, so now what do we do? Okay, what's up, fucker? I could earn some money if I learn skills. Well, I have to either check it. Handsome, naked, on phone. No. Don't like it? Well, straight dancer. Dance. Like it now? Don't like it. Yes. Now what do you want? Oh, touch a better the fish. So what the fuck do you want? Let's see. So what the fuck do you want? I better clean up this bottle. This is easy. Clean up fucking good. Well, not that good. There you go. Oh my god, you attacked them. Like flaws, so you want to have something. Well, oh, it's me. Fine, let's go. I know I had it. Oh, Russ. I'm a rock dancer. He wants to be a rock star. First, he needs to upgrade rock. That's easy. Give me this. And so fine. I'll give you some drums. I forgot about that. There you go. Have some fun. Newsroom is awesome, but my band will sound a lot better with additional numbers. Wow, what about Deadpool? Here we go. What about more Deadpools? Musical Deadpool. There you go. Okay, now that's better. Now this is what I call a band. What we need now is equipment to put on a real show. Well, that's easy. Rocking Dildo. Fine, raging. Here you go. I will do. No! No! Fuck up. Okay. So they need some. Why are you so worried? Invincible Buteko? That sucks. How about musical? Yeah, now that's better. How about dancing? Why do they look like making love? You look at the position. Look at the position. Look at the position. Look at that position. Look at that position. It's fucking me. Oh, what about this? What about this? What about this? Oh no, Deadpool fucks me. Oh, pumping. Oh. So now, what we need is something to amplify our sound. How about MP5? Now fuck out. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! A successful band. Oh yeah! With Maxwell rocking. That's cool, man. So continue. So what the fuck do you want? Oh man. Okay, so I'm tired of standing. What about wheelchair? Oh, rocking wheelchair. There you go, bitch. Have some fun. What the hell? What the hell? Dismount! You get the fuck off. This is mine. Now this is mine. This is not yours. This is not yours. And this is mine. And steal your fuck up and let's go. Like a boss. How about this? Fire breathing bitch. I think I like this one. So I did like to put this here. And yeah, that's so awesome. Okay, fuck you up. So let's ride the fuck off you. Go! Fuck you, you know. Fuck you. I'm gonna fly. Now you fly! Wait, here we go. What the hell? What the hell did that's right? Fly, okay? Okay, you like it right now? Right. Right the fuck. Right the fuck. Now, hey! Granny, look what I got. Oh no, fine. Hey Granny, look at my wheelchair. What is this guy dancing? You don't need them? You die. You too. Get the fuck off. You want to fight, huh? You die. That's very violent. Don't do that at home. Okay, so what do you want, little girl? I can buy something from this stand, but I'm broke. Well, what about make money from fine. Will this do well? Yes, sure. Now, did I complete this place? Yeah, level complete. So that's all for you. I will end you. I will end you. I will end you. You don't run from the ultimate killer. I am Professor X. Why are you so scared? I'm Professor X. I'll just kill you all. Fine. So let's go back. And yeah, let's see what mission do we need to do. Hospital. Yeah, let's go. Try it out and see what's that. Welcome to Asterisk. Okay. Well, they're fighting. Okay. I'm ill. I am ill. That doesn't make any difference. Oh, fine. What the fuck do you want? Give me something that I can use for surgery. Well, it's so easy. How about you? Doesn't work? Fine. You are untalented. I don't understand it. Fine, just give this fuck. Oh, it works. Oh, well, thank you for giving me something. Yeah, so right now, let's go, mates. Intro. So, oh, I lost my wheelchair. How could I do the fuck? My patients are living in hospital, so that's. What the fuck is this? Sick kitten. So what about this is gonna be sick as a dog? Well, what about sick as a cat? Well, I'm gonna give you all cure. All heal. I'm gonna give you a fucking bandage. Do you happy now? No. How about give you some healthy eatable doodle? That won't sure work. Here, have some food. Oh, I liked it. Well, cat's leg spawn. Cat's leg spawn. What the fuck is this? No, not you. Sick fucking kid. Oh, I must have a teenage. Okay. Well, I'll give you fake teeth. I mean teeth. Do you like it? Fake teeth or fake teeth? It doesn't matter. What the fuck is this? I think this game is sick. This game is sick for real. Oh, rusty robot. I gave you some oily dildo. Does it work right now? You must be happy. How it function again? Well, electrical dildo. Do you like it right now? That must works well. No, never mind. Never mind. Fine. Let me function again. Functional. What about this? You are so lame. Goodbye, asshole. Careful, that electric shocks. What the hell is this? Not you. The bookstore isn't gonna be ready. This last chapter. Well, I will give you last page. Do you like it right now, huh? Fine. Well, how about a last page? You like it now? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? It moves! Fine. You like it right now? No. What about computer? Reader. Yeah, I'm a genius. But I need some dude on me. No, don't go, don't go. Fine. Well. So anyway, it looks like something is blocked under my hood. Do you have a hood? Well, I really could raise this, you know. I'll give her a mechanic girl. Like it? I sure like her. Sure, I'll have to fuck for you. She picked the fucking dildo! She picked the fucking dildo! What the fuck? It looks like something is broken under my hood. Oh, come on, mechanic. You like it right now? Come, mechanic. There you go. Yeah, oh my god, no, don't go. I'll give you a ride along. Let me ride the fuck off you. Carry pages. Now give me a star, right, is it? Oh yes, I knew it. This story sucks. This lip dancing sucks. Oh, it kills fire. How come? Well, look at it. We have 10 stars, a full 10. So what the fuck we do right now? There's some people need help. How about you? You joker. Who the fuck are you? Let me laugh again. Well, fine, happy, laughing. And do you like it right now? Oh! Goodbye. I like your shirt. So what we do right now? Let's go up. Don't fight me! I'm just an ill person. Okay, this girl. Don't move or I'll fucking kill you. Oh, I nearly killed her. I nearly killed her. Stop the attacking her. Now you're attacking, right? What about this? Come and nigga. You are fucking annoying now. This is like the attack me. Oh, big brother. Attack me? I'm just an ill person, you know. Heart attack! So what we do? I just broke a heart. Well, since I broke a heart, I'll give you another attacking heart. Here you go. Good luck fighting it. Take this one. I thought you done that. Wait, don't bully your heart. You will use it. Fine. Use your titanic power. Well, it doesn't work well. Immortal. Let's see how you fight. I need new equipment for a hospital. Well, I'll give you this. I steal your stuff and I give you this. You like it right now? I'll pick this up and I remove your fucking stuff and I give you this fucking stuff. Do you like it? Or you don't like it? So I remove this, so I dismount this and I let you ride it. Fuck you. Don't go away. Get the fuck off. This is mine. This is mine. Don't go. Don't go. Yeah, baby. So I want a new instrument. Well, how about this? What the fuck? Oh! I like it. I like it, you dude. They are fighting. They are all fighting. What that guy doing in game fighting? So let's go to the next level. What the fuck you want? Dancing? Sing something? Painting with my team colors will really motivate to win the race. Wow. Here we go. Don't get it, that's mine. Fuck you, that's mine. That's mine, you know. Yeah. And here's the revenge. Yeah. Don't fight me. Hello, bitch. What do you want? I left when I was delivering to the transplant patient behind. What the fuck? But I'll skip it. Now I'm gonna ride this fucking helicopter. Oh yeah, the best woman. What do you want? I forgot what I'm supposed to do. And why the fuck you ask me? I don't even know you. I don't even know you. Why you ask the fuck of me? What about I give you this fuck and do a fucking job? Get the fuck off. How about this? It's empty. Are there something left? Are there something left? What about wheelchairs? No. Well, let's get out. How about this? Let me check them out first. They're fighting forever. What the fuck is that stupid stuff? Well, you look so happy, don't you? Whoa, whoa, stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just saved your life, man. I just saved your life, man. Now here's me. You kill him! Fuck you! You fuck ass. You break my wheelchair. Tie the knife. Here. How could you use him? You cannot use him. He is mine. How could you kick my ass? You learn karate, don't you? I knew it. I'll kill the fuck out of you. I'm sick of you. You die. I'm angry of you. Fuck you, yeah, baby. Wait. Okay, someone's calling me. Don't bother. Someone's so scared. I gave you this. What about this? Oh yeah. What do we do right now? We fuck up. We fuck up. We fuck up. We fuck up. What I was delivering to the transplant behind. Transplant patient. Where's the transplant? orange. What the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? Well, I remove from you. And well, this is the stock. What about? How do you like to write you? And then you like to write you. How about this? You pick him up. Fine. No, don't kill him, don't kill him. How could it kill Titan Knife? Ouch. Okay, finally, that fucking Skype calls end. So right now, let's do this fucking missions here and end this. So this girl is a transplant patient. Well, I'll give you a organ. Bobby. There you go. Oh yeah, baby, yes I got one. What about you, fuck ass? I forgot what I'm supposed to be there. What you should deliver? What about eggs? Here you go, motherfucker. This is fine. I won't do it. Okay, so what he want to deliver for a special delivery thing. Supposed to be delivered. How do I know? Fuck you, dude. Well, how about this? I give you a fucking stock. Here you go. How about this? Sexy. Hot. Baby. What? What? What did I just done? What did I just... Hey, you are mine, baby. Fuck, what do you want? This... You don't like me, huh? Fuck you. Oh! Fuck. You're supposed to be my chair. I hate you, chair. I hate you, chair! You fucking bitch. Fine, I will sit this chair. What happened? Well, I can't write. Fine. Awesome. Blue. Freaking. Rainbow. Flying. Immortal fire breathing. Wheelchair. Here you go, motherfucking asshole. This is... No. You're supposed to be friendly. You're supposed to be friendly, okay? Friendly. Right about. Okay, so right now, here you go, motherfucking asshole. Why you hit me? Fuck you. Fuck you. I want to write the fuck you out. Right. You guys sucks. You all are rubbish. Rubbish. Okay, let's see which place we go next. So we done this place. Let's go try this out. Come to Sargurnat's castle. What the fuck? Oh fuck. Holy shit. When I spawned here. Well, let's see how many missions I... Oh, 8. And then to interact on something. So, well guys, I think it's pretty much for this freaking episode. And done. I like my wheelchair. Fucking wheelchair. Yeah, baby. Woo! Okay, so I think this pretty much it for this freaking episode. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe will be very helpful to me, and yeah, I'll push you to the day. Bye guys. See you guys next time.